Hi, my name is Oli and today we will check this, the brand new glass mouse case from Pulsar for the Razer Viper V2 Pro. I already use glass case on the Pulsar X-Lite V2 and on the G Pro Superlight, so when I saw this coming for the Viper V2 Pro I cannot resist. In my previous video where I upgrade the G Pro Superlight, see links in the description or somewhere here, I explained the pros and cons of this mouse glass case. So first let's get started with the installation. The installation of the Viper V2 Pro is very easy. Remove with a small flat tool like a screwdriver the stock fits. As you can see there are some holes cut out on the bottom, interesting, maybe for weight reduction. Then clean the surface and put the glass case. Now it's done. The case looks nice and funny at the same time, like a smiley monster. Blah, 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 blah. The weight of the mouse increased a bit from 59 grams to 60 grams, but that is not so noticeable. This glass fits makes the mouse really fast. It feels like a new mouse. It will at the beginning feel hard to control, especially in games like Valorant, but you can feel the speed turning around feel faster. But also keep in mind that you should use an appropriate mousepad with this case. I will recommend to use at the beginning mousepad which is more control oriented like the Odin Eclipse Control or Artisan Zero, then maybe switch to a balanced speed and stopping power mouse to be more universal like the Odin Zero Gravity or from Lethal Gaming Gear the Saturn model. For me this glass case with the mousepad Artisan Ayate Otsu Extra Soft is also a great combination. Glass mousepad like the Skypad is definitely not recommended unless you want this. Don't get me wrong, the Skypad is an amazing and innovative mousepad, but a glass mousepad with glass mouse fits is definitely not appropriate and enjoyable. After everything is set up, let's take a look in gaming. As we know, due to the reduced friction, it feels hard to control at the beginning. You can see here, I need to adjust and correct my aim in order to shoot the target, which is easier with the stock fits. To control the mouse, I need to use a more aggressive grip. The back of the mouse needs more support from my palm in order to not easily slide from left to right. But after a while of training and if you are a master of control, it should not feel hard. This glass mouse case could also be interesting for people who play with a low DPI. You feel your speed increasing. For games with tracking you will have an advantage. For games with control and stopping power it feels harder at the beginning. So to sum up, the Razer Viper V2 Pro feels now completely new. It makes the mouse more enjoyable than before. Because I'm used to the mouse glass case, it feels better than the stock fit. For people who are searching for better glide and more speed on the Viper V2 Pro or other mouse, changing the case can be very useful. For me this upgrade puts the Viper V2 Pro to the next level. And you, do you plan to change the case of your mouse? Or do you already did it and what was your experiences? Please leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this short video and don't forget to subscribe in order to not miss the next one. Bye bye.